Hi guys, what are we gonna do today? Can you see these? They're awful little, aren't they? I love miniatures, so today we're gonna play making little miniature books. Let's get started.
So how I am starting is I'm going to use a sheet of paper, and you could use plain white paper. You could use a design paper, whatever you would like. It's 4 inches by 10.5 inches. And actually it could be 3 inches. I just giving myself a little space in case one of these messes up. We are going to score this sheet of paper, and this is really the easiest way I found, is to score it all at once and then cut it. And we're gonna score every 3/4 inch. Nine and 3/4, and then we're at the end, which is 10.5. So I am just gonna fold on all my score lines. And I'm folding it like an accordion fold. Now you can see on these edges, they're a little off. So I am gonna trim this edge, and then I'm going to cut 3 1-inch pieces from this. So you can see this little gap here. This is what I'm gonna trim off. Get a nice straight edge. So you have your 3 accordion pieces. Now, one of these pieces we are going to fold the opposite way. So I'm just gonna be folding it back. Okay, so this will be my center. What I'm gonna do next is I wanna put all of these together. I am going to glue the back of this end to the top of this end and the top of this end under here. And I'm just gonna use a glue stick for this. Make sure my pages are lined up there. Now you can use any type of glue or double stick tape you would like to put this all together. I found that when I use glue though, you have to be a little more careful. The glue stick sticks and dries much quicker, and you don't have as much of a chance of really seep through and glue all your pages together as liquid glue. So the glue stick probably is the best choice on this project. And now I'm just gonna fold this back up. So all the pages are getting glued together from the insides. And then just make sure that if any glue did seep out, you have your pages apart. And this is when I also kind of press my spine in and make sure everything is kind of lined up here. So we're just gonna set this aside for a moment, and then we're just going to do our cover, and then we're going to put this into our cover. So I got a piece of decorative cardstock, and you could just use plain and decorate it yourself. Now this cover is 2 inches by 1 1/8, just like an 1/8 inch longer than this, but then you can even make it a little bigger and then just trim it down afterward, after you get your book in. I'm gonna score a 1/4 inch in the center for the spine at 7/8 inch. I'm gonna score, and then at 1 1/8, and I'm gonna score right here, and just fold those in. It's up to make any size book you would like. You just need to measure how thick your spine is gonna be, and then you want your cover just a little bigger than your book. And then you can always trim that back too if you need to. So what I'm gonna do now is put some glue in the spine area, right here, and then also on here. And then I'm also gonna put glue on the inside of the cover and glue a page to each side. And I'm just using a little bit heavier glue. And then you want to make sure that your book is facing either up or down and it's not upside down when you look at your cover. I'm lining this up and I'm going to kind of push this in. So you can decide if you'd like to trim your cover a little more, but at least you've got the room. And I may just trim this just a teeny bit, but I'd rather have it a little bit bigger to start and then be able to trim off later than make it too short. So now you have this cute little book which you can distress, you can add words, sayings, make it into anything you would like. Oh, I did that on this one, and I added some little stickers and writing and numbers and rub-ons and stamps to each page. So you can make this as unique as you would like. And I used just plain old paper and did a little wash over each of the pages and then started decorating.
So I hope you thought this was fun and easy, but you can take the same idea that we did with these. You could even print pictures off and line them all up. You can make your book whatever size you would like. I hope you guys give this a try, but whatever you do, have fun.